Say hi to my vlog. Hi. So pretty. Ah!
Shawty throw it back, baby, gon' shake it. Ay, keep that shit in motion, keep it rotating. Yeah, she all about the bag and no time wasting. Yeah, she don't want no nigga, baby, let's face it. I've been really feeling.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So I went to night before last night with my friends. You know, my friend is here from the UK, so we outside. I just did my makeup. I'm about to straighten my hair because we about to be outside. You know, this vlog gonna be litty, okay? I made some clips from when I went out the night before, so I'm just gonna drop them after this intro. And so yeah, just stay tuned and enjoy the vlog. This one gonna be litty, okay? I already know. Yeah, but yeah. I'm crazy, but I'm about to straighten my hair right now, honestly, and see what the vibe is. I wanted to go to the pool, but I guess that's off for today. We probably go out tonight to eat again and just chill, take some pictures. I don't know, but I'm with whatever, honey. I'm with whatever. But yeah, see you in the next clip. I look cute. All right. Yeah. So guys, I look crazy, but I don't know where I left off. But I'm back in OCHO with my friends and we outside, so I'm just gonna be vlogging. Rice, Kiki, I call you.
Yo,
Say hi to my vlog. So I decided to vlog. Hi. So pretty. Ah! That's my UK friend, y'all. Say hi, Rice.
You know what, right? Say hi.
I thought you was behind me.
People, this me can't need a recheck. She never want me to say hi.
Ah.
That's it. Peace alone, she wants hi. Like.
No, I thought I was gonna.
Yo, stop vlogging.
I thought you were behind me though.
Let me off here, vlog.
Yeah, so we're gonna go get wine and we're about to go on the beach on the boat front.
No boat they do up here, no.
Open the door. Thank you. So, oh shit. Trying to get wine, y'all.
There's a roll, my nigga.
It's so dark.
People, but I'm mad. That face I know the hear me. I tell her though.
Right. I don't want any red wine. We don't even have wine glasses.
We can't get one. Bro, we don't have to drink a wine glass. We're gonna go on a boat.
I don't care.
What are you talking about?
This brand is good enough, but I like the yellow tail. I like this one. I hope Kisa would like it.
Alright. So we buy one red wine and one white wine.
You alone I could drink the red wine. I don't want any red wine.
Alright, so since we're going to get a red wine, people, we're going to get a cheap one.
Not the cheaper.
$1,000.
What?
Wait. No, fuck that
You
shit.
would have never toast that.
USD. No connection.
Really?
Alright, she will show me how to go.
I'm gonna go with this one. Because I know this one. You should know. I feel like I'm gonna drop this in. You wanna hold it for me?
We have to call it money.
Really?
Nice.
Yeah, that one is nice.
Located.
But this nice too. You don't know? Have you ever tried this one?
New. You already tried that before. You had that before, so why not try something new?
Alright, so if it don't taste good, I could just blame it on you. This one, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
We're gonna get one of that one white one and one red one. The other red one too.
Which one?
Mama. Anyone.
Oh. No. Water is not the best.
No,
Lifespan is the best.
The information on the bottle is honest.
Okay, mister.
Right? It's purified.
I need
water.
lifespan though. I'm used to lifespan. 3. Oh shit. Oh shit. Mr. Lecturer.
No, he's not a lecturer. He's just being honest, you know. People don't follow shit, you know.
Come on. Let me say, oh, you're gonna carry everything.
Gosh, you don't know what good for you.
I do. People tell me in the comment if lifespan is better than if water is better than lifespan. Because I know lifespan is better. Like water tastes so bad.
It's a mind game, bro. What good for you? You know India good for you?
Oh, they have cheesecake. Oh, we need to get cups. They have vapes. Why you have to get regular cups though? Oh, I don't like those.
Alright, you see?
I don't like those.
Yo, bro.
These are so big and ugly.
You know why I don't like these cups?
Why?
Because only one of these pick these up. People are not piece of shit. Which I look like somebody.
No, it
serious,
just it just look cooler.
Look cool.
Like the white cup look
cool. We're not trying to look cool.
Oh my
We're
god.
not trying to look cool. Bro.
Okay, we'll take
We're trying to look normal, bro. Fuck
clear
that shit.
cup.
Come on, let's go.
I have the party cup in my room, so
Guys, she's a wannabe.
I'm not, because I do have that cup in my room.
Yo,
Where's Kissing? I hate these bags. It's a little buggy for me. She's snapping away.
I got me on them in Portland, bro.
Do it, man. There's nothing you can't do. There's nothing too big, you know?
I can't feel it, you know. See that?
It's not the time for that, though.
It's so early, bro.
Christmas
Yeah, we do baseball.
We're not going to the club tonight.
Do a baseball. Do baseball more. Hit the long grandma. Yeah, what are you doing, yo? You know, some of the flask, man. I'm going to flask, man. Reverse on the
DJ Alric juggling like a blind yo. Blind yo.
Anybody bring them home box?
No. We are here, y'all. It's so freaking quiet. Huh? I know, right? Like I literally walked past here the other day and I was like, I've never been over here. Like I've never been on a boat ride over here. Not knowing I have links. Not knowing I have links. But now I know I'm gonna be making content. This is so nice. This is my type of vibe. It's so pretty on the camera. Never come on here during the day. I feel like I'm gonna drop already. Put over the bar.
Step down, please, man.
Oh, it's not that bad. We on the boat. In the dark. We're outside, y'all. Put your feet up. Oh shit. You're never in a shirt, you know? You know that? Yeah. Why you not wear clothes?
Literally, since he was a child. It's always been bareback. No, you need to rip this off. You need to rip the finger off.
Come up soon.
Okay, stubborn bastard. I'm asking.
To do a lot for you.
It's not funny. I got school, you know.
I need my damn bed, bro.
What's up, Mr. Vlog, bro?
If you ever.
I don't fart in public, man. You like, no, I'm not nasty.
You don't fart in public, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, it wouldn't pop on if you need to. Would you not fart if you need to?
No.
Don't lie.
No.
Don't lie. You know you would.
I wouldn't.
You would not.
I would go one side or in the bathroom.
You gonna have time to go in the bathroom? Flipping out when that poop comes out, letting that shit out.
You like nasty.
Say
that, kiss it. Say that. You like nasty.
You like nasty. Wait,
Yo, nothing more than nasty. Yeah,
oh, you.
No governor that man be over here and no governor either.
No can't burn item.
One item? Come on, you did the one with the hotel. I know what go on. The governor. Oh.
Night beach.
no.
I can know it, man.
You see what I'm saying? I just look from that one. You go and say, yeah, man, go on.
You gotta take the lead, man. But, you know what I mean?
Take the lead then.
Go on.
It's alright. Up to you, mate.
I'm surprised I don't have security. Woo. This reminds me of COVID time when we used to sneak and go party.
Everything.
Right, so real, what you do? Huh? Have to come in the day though.
It is a nice experience.
My feet look so... Guys, I'm at the beach with my friends, but I can't see shit. So I'm gonna stay on the sand. Mellow.
That's right now, I love it. Whenever.
No, I never got trash right now. Hey y'all. So that's Rio right there. I think they're having a party. And the moon keeps going in. I hate that. But yeah, I'm just talking and chill. Hey you guys, so I put some cream in my hair last night because my wig came off and I just couldn't bother to put it back on. And I was like, this is the reason why I cream my hair, so I could wear it. I got a little inch, so you know. Too high. I know I said I was gonna do like an updated video of me doing it, but scratch that. I ain't got no time. The wig came off and I had to put some cream in it. But my friend want to go to the piercing shop, so that's what we about to do today and then go for lunch. But first we have to pick up Rice son. You guys saw Rice in a previous clip because he's at work, so we're gonna pick up his son, drop him off, and then we go head to the piercing shop. Yeah, I might get my nose pierced too, I don't know, but we'll see. I'll see you guys on the road. Just putting some spray on. Feel like it's gonna rain today. Hey. Yup, that's me. Waiting on Kisia, who was supposed to be ready when I got here. I look cute. It's the natural look for me. I got that.
I have to bring these little things put over my back because I don't have no sleeve. The teacher lady says I need so
Oh yeah, for cover.
Yeah.
So them strict.
Mom. Yeah, I said they're very strict. Let's head on out. Even if you only come to my house. No, you don't. Happy birthday, Jamoy. We'll practice a birthday song for you. Happy birthday
To you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Hey.
Two time for the birthday cake.
Hey.
Three time for the birthday cake.
Hey.
Fucking up because your birthday cake.
Happy birthday, Jamoy. We miss you. Wish you were here.
Oh God, would I turn up tonight?
All right, bye. Love you. Look at this girl. Have to. She said she feel about granny. Oh, do it like a scarf.
Yeah.
But it not gonna blow up.
No, but this.
Put on it something. Put your hand through you. You're going like you know anybody over there.
But not regardless of whatever. Let me see. Close the door to go.
Watch out. She said she feel about granny, so she not put her hand through it. Go on, good girl. Watch out. She turned back. What she turned back for? How? Boom. Them serious. I like it though. So Kisia went to get a mirror. Apparently she gotta be covered up. No sleeveless, no nothing. So yeah, I don't know anything about kids, my love. Cause I ain't got no kid. I don't know nothing about school, dress code, nothing. Rice and Kisia got kids, so you know. I'm just out here. By the way, this is where my high school is at. Further up past this basic school. That's where I went to high school, Marcus Garvey Technical High School. I was bad as hell, but it's whatever. I'm hot in here. God.
in the burger? Yes. Oh my God.
What's blue cheese?
gosh. We're not gonna be able to eat that. Hi hon, how are you?
Burger King. I got
Good. You know, I was
I
trying
just got
to find out.
fries.
Somebody said that you do.
And a
Do you do
milkshake.
piercings? Oh, so he does.
I
Yeah,
still
the shop
think it's
today.
smiley.
Oh damn, man. All right. Okay, you.
Where? Queen. I like she come from Hollywood.
Yeah. You see? Yeah.
Oh, I saw me there.
I told you she looks familiar. I'm a girl.
I like you out here. Hi. Appointment to work up?
Surprise, you just pop up. Click it here, it's a quick thing.
Please.
Don't act surprised now. Don't act surprised.
It's a quick thing.
What's the like quick things?
It just come like a braid, like a 2 diamond on the
Talking about one of these ones. You know one of these big ones?
Oh, that.
Yeah, but the smallest one. Or I'll take if that's alright.
Come here, say you do it before.
Just relax, man. Alright.
Just relax.
That question.
Don't move. That one to sting.
Feel up.
Cute.
Oh, see
Yeah,
ya.
in Miami.
Miami, Florida. You're gonna have to let me come and visit you.
You should.
It's nice.
It's too hot. All the better, you're not feeling no pain.
Yes, let me see.
Let me see. Come on.
See, you need a bigger one, girl.
You know?
Monisha, get the phone on my face, please. Okay, sorry. Alright, come.
I'm going to go pay no pay. I will have time.
Sister, sorry. But are you up here for this?
No,
She have
you
to pay
don't
this.
want to pay for my tattoo.
Come before this time miserable. Come to the front of Israel and then come. Ready? Come. Right.
It's a wear off.
Where's the
It is fun.
It is water. Go home.
Where's the life on?
Come. Come on, you fucking hell, man.
Don't move.
You're not at down.
It's done?
No, I'm not putting a ring. You're not that bad kiss.
So you like it?
Listen to her. Okay, now.
Extra life.
Shut up. That thing don't taste good.
Mint flavor. What the hell?
I kind of like toothpaste.
Exactly. Didn't I use a toothpaste?
Not the singing.
Not like that, like they are red past somebody I never hold.
Yeah.
All of mine.
Like that they explode. Like, yeah, you kick us down.
Oh, my lip. I can't even feel my lip, brother.
No, I'm not Ash.
Look at my camera pumping. Oh, there.
Right
there's
at
a
the
sign.
beachfront.
Look, the sign is there. We can definitely go. In my caramel frap. Flap. Hey, run me wrong.
Yeah, if I brought the rules, let me know. Park like at the van.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, just park or something. We'll come look for rice.
No, he's
Michael. Oh, Mellow. A friend of ours. Mellow. Where?
Unless you want us to do something to that.
What happened? Winston. A rice.
Yeah, we'll find him.
Michael.
Colson.
Life fish. Oh, look at the fishes. Combat a bear fish, massive. No swimsuit, but I'm going in the water. What are you talking about?
You're not.
I'm literally here. I ain't gone nowhere.
It's a cashy dog.
Ready? We're going inside with no swimsuit.
Yes, we are. We're gonna strip down.
Yeah, we're gonna take a skinny dip.
Yes.
All naked.
Yes. Longer
You're
scream.
kind of indecisive about the decision.
Good. We're going. We're going to.
The glass is gonna get wet. Your hair is gonna get wet.
She can take off the glasses.
If it's no stress for you, babe.
No stress for me. I'm thinking you're okay.
Why would I not be okay?
Hello. Oh, baby. Baby.
But I do what?
Manisha, if my child don't have this sleep, trust me.
We are going to there. I'm scared already. Nobody make a drop off, you know.
You want to jump off or make sure?
No. Why?
They can't swim here, bro. They can't throw up.
Can't swim.
They can't swim here, so they can't swim in one foot.
Put my life jacket on.
My little move, me can't keep steady.
What do you need?
Not we.
Okay, you can leave the slipper on the boat.
Leave it here.
The slipper's on the boat. Leave nothing here. Alright, I'm at the fun.
Oh.
Yeah, bro. We're not bringing them in. Yeah, we're not bringing them in. Don't
Take off your watch.
Oh shit, yeah.
Give him your watch. Jesus God. Captain OJ. Let me see the. What's your name?
I'm going to drop you guys down there. Bring it. This is before.
Not planned at all.
You have to be with a wild friend to get out like this and do shit.
So we're going on that.
Okay, guys, when you get thrown off, please.
No, we're not gonna get thrown out. Oh. Me not drop off though. But you have to go fast though, you know. Don't ease up. No, don't ease up. Oh my God. I'm so excited. But I lose a ring, you know.
No, it's not going nowhere.
Alright.
Alright, you guys ready to have some fun?
Yes.
Let me video while you guys go over. And what's this? iPhone 14 Pro Max?
I think no, just 14. Yeah, diverge.
Like that. Just hold on to here.
I'm scared.
Scared of what?
And this one. Okay. You're the one that's going to sink us, I swear to God.
Alright, give me a smile before. I love the smiles, okay?
Outside.
Ready? That's how we do it in Jamaica. Tony Water Sport.
That was crazy. Oh my god. This island go for shit. This is
Whiskey, you're not gonna let it go?
I let it go for shit.
Say babe, say babe. Hey, say babe. Pull up.
Once you trust a drug, I be sipping syrup. I think I'm in love. Whoa. From the apartment to the top chart, now it's sold out shows. She said she play with her nose. I told her that's not in my goals. I know when to go, I know when to fold. That's never. They throwing dirt with no shovel. It ain't no shame. Fucking city, fold up. This is won't smoke. Roll up. Fucking on the bitch. Throw it up. Breaking on the dirty. Sold up. Promise I'ma never fold up. Niggas ain't never bustin' vultures. Percocets, Molly, damn, baby.
Watch out, man.
Me are dead. Jesus, God, we like without a coke. Oh my God, guys, we made it. Okay. Oh, I got the picture. Yeah, me tag. As my got me a post. Oh my God. Hey, hey. Yay.
Get real wet, girl.
Oh my God. This one wash off the salt water, man. Wash it out, wash it out, wash it out. Thank you. Oh, shit. This was really not fun enough. Like people will come out here in a. It was not a fun. It was not a party. We are going with not even swimsuit. Walking back past the people that went. We did. Oh no. My reach is at the top, bro. Come on, looking hot and going back in looking like wet dog. You know what I'm saying?
At least we're not bad looking wet dogs. We're
Right.
not literally top dogs, yeah?
Yeah.
We're the mountain nose. One of the time we're
A water.
yeah, swear.
Normally that come out. The nose that doesn't come out, man.
To be. Really good after that one.
Oh my God. Great. Alright. Why you think we wet, sir? We drop off, man.
Oh my God. I think I have no fluff anymore.
I was looking all fine and coming back looking like a wet rat. Right, it was so fun. Jesus.
You know, you're screaming.
Really?
You heard this one right here?
It was nice though.
I did it. I did it for a lot.
Alright, Wayne. Let me take a picture of you with the background. What is that?
go. Ooh. It is cold. Folks.
Ay, shawty throw it back, baby, gon' shake it. Ay, keep that shit in motion, keep it rotating. Yeah, she all about the bag, ain't no time wasting. Yeah, she